These bikes had some nice little freshens up, all looking really good. I know Chuck and Darryl came to a practice and be glad they did. They had a bit of a broken wire in the bike. So they come through, ready, green lights are on, tapes are up and away they go. Unfortunately, Craig Bowler and Ed Plummer, a bit of a stall on the line. But it is Peter Adams and Jason Herra out in front. Chuck and Darryl having a look around the outside, can't quite make a race, they come back through. As they come back through, it is still Peter Adams and Jason Herra out in front, followed by Mick Smith and Ben Bond. They come back round again. Lee's main change, unfortunately we lose our second place bike to the infield. Hopefully just a minor issue that they get sorted and get out for the next race, which drops 4K in the second. They're coming on fast, the 27 of Craig Bowler and Plummer as they come up the inside. How are they going to make the pass as they make it into turn one? Can they get off the turn railway here? As Chuck and Darryl just seem to be struggling slightly out there in this first race. First Sidecar race goes to Peter Adams and Jason Herra, Craig Bowler and Ed Plummer and Chuck Gannon and Darryl Pearson, a time of 104.85. 104.85. So as they're looking good, we've seen them here before and they've done a fantastic job. Like really good to see them come and have a ride up here. A couple of guys just starting off the back just to get the hang of new swingers and passengers and all the rest of it. Alright, Bryce will just move aside. Green light on, tapes are up and away they go. Out in front is the 22G of Jason Reese and Callum Dennis out there in front. Second place looking pretty good as Kerry Morgan and Kurt Beast as they come back in. It looks way more comfortable on that bike than he did out in that first practice. Really looking good in the back there. As he comes back through, they're sitting in behind Jason and Callum. They come back through. That lead, but they are being chased down now. Unfortunately, Kerry just gets a little bit wide coming off that turn two. Just sort of losing a little bit of momentum. As he comes back in now, it's still sitting there. But as you can see, with Dale Gamble on there on the back, still getting the hang of out there as a passenger, so it's really good to see. Go back through to see 22G takes the win, followed by the 86, followed by the 34. That is a time of 106.50. So 106.50. We look forward to seeing you back next time for the Auckland Solo Champs. Like I say, we'll have the sidecars fully back as they come back in. Sitting here, ready to go. As Ferguson takes off and off they go. And as they head into turn one, it is Felix Jason Herra out in front, followed by the 27 who got off the line and better this time. That's the Ray Bowler and Mick Bowler. Chuck and Darryl get underneath the 22G bike of Russell Stewart. So Russell Stewart gets right out to the wall coming off turn two. They move their way around now. Jason Herra on that in-steer machine. Great job down the back straight and forward. Great Bowler and Ed Plummer coming down the back straight down in second place. Chuck has a look at that outside line. Russell Stewart has a look at underneath. They just pull that third place out there. Obviously that water, there's not a lot out wide at the moment. Chuck and Darryl just come a little bit hot there. They're going to have a look up the inside. Are they going to quite make it? But out the front, coming around with a clear one. Followed by Craig Bowler and Ed Plummer, the 22 of Russell Stewart, Callum Innes and Chuck Gannon and Daryl Pierce crossing the line in fourth in a time of 1:08.66. 1:08.66. So this looks like the 34 is going to pull into the outside gate. Okay, as we have all three bikes sitting up and ready to go. Green lights on, takes it up, and off they go. Who's going to make it for the turn? It's going to the 86, Kerry Morgan and Kurt Beeston, but they can't quite hold it as Pete Bone and Mick Smith dive in underneath. We come back in, pulling right up behind. Pit Bone and Mick Smith maintain their lead out in front, followed by the 86 bike of Kerry Morgan sitting there in second. Just a little bit of drive coming off the turn. Change away from Morgan, is behind us now. And also seems to have changed from first to second to second to third. The bikes just spread out a little bit here as they head back around. This time it is Ben Bond and Mick Smith going around now looking ready to take out this heat. Come back round now, bringing their way back. This is Ben Bond and Mick Smith. First place and Kerry Morgan and Kurt Beeston sitting there in second. And Dale Campbell in third. Come back round now, the ring goes with Ben Bond and Mick Smith. Second place is the 86. Kerry Morgan and Kurt Beeston. One of those bikes didn't make a very nice sound as it crossed the line, so hopefully they can all get back. I'm not sure really which one it was. There was a time of 1:07.13 from Russell Stewart. Then we have Ben Bone next with Russell Stewart gets right into it. Can't quite make it past. Looks again. The other look as Ben Bone gets wide. Now Craig Bowler to just drop in and just make one little mistake. Calamitous working really hard on the back of that 22 bike. There's a great save, and unfortunately we lose two bikes from it. So as we come back around now, it is the ready for a start. The green light's on, takes off, and away they go. Let's come back around now. It is Peter Adams back out in front. Craig Bowler goes to have a look down the inside. There wasn't quite enough room there for him to get through. Ben Bone have a look around the outside, gets right up into that slippery stuff out there, drops back, round for a bike lane. Peter Adams comes back through, maintaining that lead. Doing a great job there as he heads down the back straight now. Carrying on from where he left off, the bike gets really sideways coming through. That's enough room for Craig Bowler and popping to sneak on through. So he comes back through now as he heading into that three now, heading towards the right flag. Craig Bowler and popping back. One little lead on my feet, just allow those guys to get up with him. They come back through. Peter's going to have a look now, see what he can do here. Coming around the outside, is he going to have a look there with it? Right there, he's going to try and time the turn off. He comes back through. Now, almost taken by Craig Bowler out in front from Peter Adams and Ben Bone in a time of 1 minute 06.65. 1:06.65. As we come back in, there's real good moisture right down low. There's real good moisture up high. It seems to be gate 3 is quite dry there. Right, 3 goes on, gates are up and away they go. So, Chuck Gannon takes the lead from Kerry Morgan in second place. As they come off the turn, just pulls away down that back straight. They head back in. Kerry has to look back underneath the side of that line, can't quite get the lead. Joe 90 pulling him behind. Doing a great job there, gets himself up onto that high bit. There's not a huge amount of grip there. So this is the 4 Chuck Gannon and Daryl Pierce on that still on that pitch. R1 in second place. And Joe 90. Pitch going to in third. They come round to the white flag. It is still chugging down out there in third. The 86 bike of Kerry Morgan in second. The 34 of Joe 90 in third. They come back round. Sidecars. It is Charkendale taking the win. Kerry Morgan in second and Joe 90 in third in a time of 106.34. 106.34. Yep, so they got that worked out. Cross off gate 3, Peter Adams and Jason Hart. Green lights on, tapes on, right they go. They come side by side through turns 1 and 2. Who's going to take it out there? Looks like it's going to be Peter Adams and Jason Hart. Chuckendale having a look there. The 54 bike just seems to hesitate slightly coming off that turn. Looks like there's an issue with the 6 bike. As they put off the track. There's a 27 bike of Craig Bowler and Ann Plummer out in front, followed by the 54 bike of Ben Bowen and Mick Smith. And the 4K bike of Chuck Gannon and Dan Peters. Second place, the 54 of Ben Bowen and Mick Smith and Chuckendale in 4K in third place. They come to take the check in. Coming all the way from the Hawke's Bay is the 27 Craig Bowler and Ann Plummer, followed by the 54 of Ben Bowen and Mick Smith, the 4K of Chuck Gannon and Daryl Pierce, in time of 107.32. 107.32. Gate 3. Wait, we get that 34 bike back onto 3 wheels. As they head back up to the start, and the 86 bike sitting out here. Right, looking ready for a start as the green lights go on and they're off. Russell Stewart out in front, followed by the 86 of right, just got a little issue with the lights up here. We're getting away first time this time. Looking really good as that bike really hooks up coming down there. Right, that front wheel almost came off turn 2. They pull it in now. Heading off there through and take Kerry Morgan looking really good in first place. Russell Stewart is going to be able to use all of his experience to be able to keep past them. They pull right in behind there now. It looks like in third race looking to drop the bike right down to the pole line. Really good job coming in underneath. Wasn't quite there, so you got a lap and a half to do what they need to do. Can they get close enough, or is Kerry Morgan going to take the win here? They come back round now, heading under the tower. They're looking right underneath. They're not quite going to be quick enough. Might go really sideways here for Russell Stewart. So they come back round now. Kerry Morgan's going to be able to do it as they come back in there. Who's going to get it as they come through? Kerry Morgan gets all right. Who's going to Russell Stewart just manages to pull it underneath and take the win. From Kerry Morgan in second and Joe 90 in third in a time of 106.34. 106.34. Great piece of riding there. That's Russell Stewart. So 86 has chosen quite a dry bit of track, so we'll wait and see what happens. Right. Gates up and away they go. 86 Kerry Morgan takes the lead into the first turn, followed by Peter Adams. Peter Adams chops around, drops underneath with a beautiful move underneath, gets great drive off turn 2. They come back around now. Can he hold it down there? Yes he can. He maintains his lead as he comes back through. Just able to get a way better drive off turn 2 of the turns as they come in. Very similar through the rest of it. They come back around now to still the 6 of Peter Adams and Jason. They're getting a little bit wider that time out into the dust. 87 to Kerry Morgan and Kurt Beeson had the same issue. A little bit wider as they came off turn 3. The white flag comes out to take second place for the Alternator Memorial. So come back around now. It is going to be a big cloud of dust down the pit straight there. We get back in. It is the 6 of Peter Adams and Jason Hiller, followed by the 86 of Kerry Morgan and Kurt Beeston in a time of 105.07. 105.07.